there. Hello there. Okay, what we're going to do is make, you know what do you got to do? Nothing, right? So let's make an apple pie. What you need? Apples. All right, I prefer Granny Smith apples. You only need 5 of those big ones to make this size of a pie. But since the 5 Granny Smiths cost more than this bag of apples, this is what I'm doing. Okay. Hey, you need sugar. Oh, you need some cinnamon. I put a little nutmeg in mine. Some ginger, just a very little bit of ginger. And just a pinch of salt. All right. And we also have pie crust. I like to make my own pie crust, but since I want this apple pie is like sort of now, it's going to be this. Okay. So, let's get started. First of all, I got to cut some apples. Let me see. This is a nice size. Nice size. Nice size. Getting smaller. Nice size. Looks like I have 6 of these apples. They're about this size. Granny Smiths are a lot larger. That's why you only need 5. But I have 6 of these apples. Now let me get these all peeled up, and we'll get right back at it again, all right? So starting to peel, and like I said, I'll be right back. Okay, got the apples done. They're all ready to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to take one of these pie crusts. Oops. Come out. Woo. Okay. It's supposed to be still cold, well, cool, but it's getting warm sitting out here, so we're going to try and do this real quick and get him in the oven because it's getting warm in here. Yes. All right. So as we unroll it, I'm going to sit it in here like this. Around the edge. You know, because when you really want an apple pie, you really want an apple pie, it's about as bad as when I want a pumpkin pie. I know Thanksgiving is coming, so you might want to kind of stay tuned because I'm going to do my Thanksgiving meal for you. Okay? All right, first of all, we get this on here, and then I'll put a little sugar. I don't measure anything. I just put what I think I should put. You might have to figure out how to measure something. And butter. I'm not going to put that on there yet. And then I'm going to put, oops, I forgot, a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, a little bit of cinnamon. And whoops. A fork. A couple holes in the bottom. And then we start adding. Okay, this is what you do. Just go around the apple. And you don't make too big of chunks because you want it to cook kind of evenly. So you just cut it like this. Be careful, do not cut yourself. You don't want no blood pudding in here. But the longer I do this, while I'm doing this, it's like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have an apple pie. I'm gonna have apple pie for a couple of days. Since it's just me eating this, yes, it's gonna be a couple of days. I know back in the day, I could eat this whole pie by myself in one sitting. Whew. Yeah, there was a lot of weight on that boy. A lot of weight on that boy. Okay, so what you do is you try to get off as much of the apple as you can. Because like I said, these aren't Granny Smiths, so you try to get as much. Oh, there goes the oven. is at 350 right now. So you set the oven at 350. And what you do is you smooth it around in the bottom, kind of making sure everybody got a spot. And you get one more apple and this. So we're gonna make 3 tiers, 3 levels. Okay, let's make it 3 levels. So we're gonna do this right quick. And that's all you're doing, just cutting apples. Cutting apples. I'm gonna do this level. And get as much apple as you can. I'm gonna have an apple pie. See, this is one of my favorite things. My mom used to make apple pies. And then she said, son, this is before she died. She said, you know what? You're growing up here, you're going to be out here on your own. And from all I'm going to tell you is, you better learn how to cook for yourself, because from what I see, these women are not going to take care of no man no more, so you got to take care of yourself. I said, you know what, Mom? You're correct. So she taught me how to bake, how to cook, just about anything. And it's so cool. Okay, now, here's what we're doing. I'm going to take some butter. You can do butter, margarine, whichever way you want to do it. I usually just I do 5 pieces. And I'm not measuring this at all either. Okay, I do 5 pieces like this. And put it in the middle, right there. Alright, that's that one. And then I'll go with there we go. Some cinnamon. Some more sugar. Cover the apples. Okay. And I'm going to put a pinch of salt in this level. Salt. That's a pinch. Okay. And I'm going to put a little ginger. You don't have to put ginger. I'm just putting a little in. I don't put enough in to really taste it, but it just gives the pie just something a little extra. And then nutmeg. Put a little bit of nutmeg. Don't put too much, because it gives it a weird taste if you put too much. All right, so that's one level right there. All right. Okay. Now that we got this like this, we can start getting the cap on it. Yeah, let's cut that loose.
That's the geometry E. And they've got the geometry M6 over there. It's not sure it's called M6 though, it's called C. This is the long way. So they've got an TV here, the IMAX 8. And the Clever over there, this is an electric car.
So what we're going to do is unroll it.
I'm going to show you this because not many people will
Same
see
way
it.
the other one was.
It's very small.
And it's
It looks like a smart car.
got one too, so
Smaller. This one's been kitted out
do this
in
real quick.
a pretty terrific way. Must be said.
should do it when it's cold, but not
What is this?
frozen, because you
window.
don't unroll it.
Looks like a window.
So get it
not a window.
unrolled.
Oh. We've got yellow inside. What's going on
Just
with
lay
this
it
car?
up here like this. Put it on
And
top.
some kind of crazy old steering wheel.
Okay.
That's a bit mad.
So just lay it on here like this.
Red leather.
All right.
And then you've got
So what you do
well, the back seat.
is you kind of roll the ends up on the sides like this. I do it this way. And then I get a little water.
Maybe one of the worst kitted out cars I've ever seen.
Let the ends around the end. So when you put it together,
in Shanghai,
that's what it
they're everywhere.
sticks.
As are
Okay.
these. The
So get the ends
RX-5,
all wet.
otherwise known as the Marvel X. In MG form. I've actually got 3 of those.
And then you start
But
putting it
this
together.
pattern, honestly, is absolutely dead.
Oops.
It's not a single person here. This is the IMAX EV8.
Together
So
like
we'll show you this
this.
one. This is another cool MPV. Some good 7 seats in there. It's cool chairs here. Got some controls under the armrest. Heating, massage and ventilation.
I'm not trying to be artistic with it.
If you know in the front, yeah.
And this is one of my pies that I would make, well, yeah,
But, you know,
for Thanksgiving. So I may not do it for Thanksgiving since I already got a video out on it.
And it looks pretty attractive too.
I'll just add it into the Thanksgiving video of making the whole meal. Ooh, there's a hole in there. Okay, Rose gotta breathe. Hey, that's for me anyway.
A bunch of
Okay.
lambs
So,
with a horrific
put a little hole,
warrant
couple
of
holes
chicken
around it with a fork
and this,
so it can breathe.
whatever the hell that is,
And
with
look
a
at that.
Hongchi style
There we
line
go.
across the middle.
Apple
And
pie.
we will all kick it out.
Ready to go into the oven.
I'm gonna look at it.
All right, I'm gonna put it in the oven. When it comes out, I'll let you see it. And here is the pie. Still in the oven. I just gotta coat the topping just for a quick minute. And then we're gonna let that bring that puppy out because he looks like he's ready. Okay, here we got a little bit of brown sugar and some margarine in here and some sugar. We're gonna melt that up and put that on top of that pie. All right, hold on. Ooh-wee. Here is the pie out of the oven. I'm gonna get this mixture I had here, some brown sugar and some margarine. And I'm gonna paint that on here. Ooh, my goodness gracious, you should smell this. Ooh. Oh, my. This is just terrible. It smells so good. Okay, evidently this oven cooked it really fast because this took only 15 minutes. That oven got hot at 350. But then again, that's what happens around here when you got old appliances. They cook the way they want to cook. You just got to keep an eye on it. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm coating the crust. If you notice that the pie has went down some since it was all stuffed up there, it's all cooked up. I'm just sort of letting it settle itself right now and doing the edges. I know your mouth is salivating over this pie. You want something so bad. I know exactly how you feel. No, trust me. I totally know. Because even when I make them like this, man, you should see me on Thanksgiving when I'm making pies. Ooh, buddy. All you want to do is just eat. When we gonna eat? When we gonna eat? Tomorrow. What do you mean tomorrow? Oh, shit. Look at that. Whew. Is that not a great looking apple pie? Whew. Man, oh man, is that not a great looking apple pie? All right, I'll be right back with you here shortly. My goodness gracious.
Oh, Lord, there was two specials on that one. I've never landed two at once. Maybe that's the secret.
And butter pecan ice cream.
Oh, I don't like what this has done to my life.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, how you doing,
My
pal?
night is set.
How you doing,
My
pal?
day is set. Wait a minute, I got too much going on. Shut up there. Oh my gosh, here it goes. Oh my goodness gracious. You know, thanks, Mom. Teach me how to bake and cook and all that other stuff. Oh, this is good. I know. Okay. See you later when I make something else. Bye.